Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see my upcoming new tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 22nd episode about JavaScript basics. In the previous episode, we worked on a function return statement, and today we'll work on the function scope. Functions have their own scope. That means parameters and local variable to that function only exist within that function and its subfunction. Now let's get started. Open the text editor and open the 22nd folder, function scope. Open start and main.js. Add the function called add numbers. Add parameter number. Add variable result and assign them to number plus 10. Return this result. Now, if you try to console log this result variable, it won't work. You will see an error message because this variable is available only within this function, not outside the function. Let's take the preview. Open the browser, open developer tool, go to console and refresh the page. As expected, you can see the error message. Now let's see what happens if we add global variable and try to use them inside the function. Add the variable fixed number and assign them to 10. Add function multiply numbers. Add parameter number. Add another variable result and assign them to number times fixed number. Return the result. Now call this function inside console.log. Add the argument 5. If you check the preview, you should get 50 because this number is 5 and fixed number is 10. So 5 times 10 is 50. Let's check the preview. Refresh the page and you should see 50 over here. Now let's see what happens if we use subfunction. First, let's create a variable new number and assign them to 20. Add function subtract number. Add parameter number. Then add another function divide number. Add variable new number and reassign them to 10. Under console.log, add in divide number plus new number. Return new number. After this function, add new variable result and assign them to number minus function name, which is divide number. Under console.log, add in subtract number plus new number. return result. Finally, let's call the subtract number function under console.log. Add result plus function name subtract number and pass an argument 30. If you check the preview, you should see 3 results in divide number, in subtract number, and result. In divide number, there is a variable new number. New number is 20, but in divide number function, we have reassigned the value of new number to 10. So this new number becomes 10. In divide number, it should show 10 as a result. In subtract number, there is new number variable again. This new number variable belongs only to the function divide number. So it is outside from this function, so it doesn't work over here. But the global new number is 20. So the global new number works over here. So the value of subtract number becomes 20. Finally, in the result, you have got the subtract number function. So this number is 30. Divide number is 10. So 30 minus 10 is 20. So in result, you should get 20. Let's take the preview now. Refresh the page and you should see expected results over there. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll create an object. Feel free to comment below if you have any question. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. If you want some hosting companies, you can check the link below. Thank you and see you soon.